If there's ever been a guy on a mission, it's me, comedian and cooking fanatic Sal Governale. Each week I travel around with just my toaster oven, showing people how to make big meals in small places. Hey everybody, it's Sal Governale live from the Chuckle Patch. Remember that, guys?
No.
Anyway, it's big meals, small places, and it's the Toaster Oven Challenge. What's the challenge today, boys? And why am I holding these flowers?
Because you're destroying my wife's Easter flowers.
Oh,
You
God.
got Easter coming up.
You guys celebrate Easter? That's nice.
No.
do, duh.
It's called Passover.
Oh, okay.
But for this, it's Easter. Well, Easter's coming up, so I thought it would be really great if you could show people how to make a full-size, honey-glazed Easter ham.
Oh, I would love that.
Full size.
Yeah, absolutely. How do you do that?
You just take it and you bash it into the toaster oven. And then you open up the door and you kick it in there, and then you take a big jar of honey and you pour it around and you shut it, and then you take the whole toaster oven and the ham and you throw it right in the garbage. And then your wife yells at you, you yell back at her, you get into a big fight, the neighbors call the
So you're
cops.
saying you can't do it?
I could do it. Done deal.
Ham in a toaster oven? How the heck am I gonna pull this one off? This is way too big. This challenge is gonna be tough, but I think I could do it. It's Easter ham in a toaster oven. First off, find a pan that fits. That one's not gonna work. That one's more like it. Once you have the right pan, simply take your spiraled ham, put it bone side down, and gently cut off the sides. And from there, take your pieces, throw it right in the pan. Down to the bone. Now take your ham and foil it up. Once it's foiled, it's time for the toaster oven. Okay, so we're looking at about 12 minutes per pound. This is 8 pounds, so it's gonna be about an hour and a half at 300 degrees. Easter ham in the toaster oven. I'm making stuff happen. While that's cooking, let me make you my homemade, old-fashioned Salvatore Governale glaze. Now it's time for the glaze. Okay, we're gonna start off with a half a cup of brown sugar. From there, you're gonna put in about 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon of pancake syrup. Yeah. From there, about 2 tablespoons of pineapple juice, a generous sprinkle of cinnamon, and 2 tablespoons of honey. This is really on tight. So let's get some honey in there as well. Right there. Pretty good. From there, what you're gonna do, simply give it a good whisk. Honey, cinnamon, mustard, a little bit of pancake syrup, that's my trick. Whisk that good, and after the ham is done cooking, after about an hour and a half in my case, apply the glaze, foil it back up, and let it cook for 15 minutes more. Okay, so the Easter ham is ready. It's been cooking for an hour and a half, then I took off the foil and I glazed it for the last 15 minutes. Take a look at that. Wow. Doesn't that look absolutely delicious? And there it is, an 8-pound Easter ham made in your toaster oven. Big meals, small places. Happy Easter, happy Passover, happy Halloween, happy whatever. Just enjoy the ham in your toaster oven with your family and your friends.